When I first walked through the doors, the one word that really just jumped in my mind was welcoming. It was so warm and so welcoming when I came in, and people instantly just came up and started shaking my hand and asking my name. And
Campus Young Adults, what comes to my mind is really the word family. It's such a great atmosphere. I feel like growing.
Hey guys, my name's Dan. This is my wife Mary.
Hey!
We're co-leaders of the Young Adults group here at the campus church. We're excited to let you know how much we've seen God move in the last year as we've been back here in Aurora. We just want to take this opportunity to invite you out to our group, and we want to let you know our values. We through the years, God has shown up in many ways, but we've always valued the same things. We've valued proper teaching, we've valued community, discipleship,
And fun.
and we just want to invite you guys out to take part in what God is doing here at the Campus Young Adults.
Yeah, you're super invited and it'll be great and you'll make friends and you'll feel at home. So, so that's Dan and I'm Mary, and if you guys see us at church, please come introduce yourselves.
Even when we look at things spiritually, we differ on some spiritual doctrine, right? And it's great where we can challenge each other, grow in our faith, and we say, well, Zaid, why is it that you believe what you believe? And Jonah, why do you take that stance or that view on things? And so being able to not just grow, and we often think grow is what does that mean? Well, growing and challenging each other to really know our actual faith. And so that has been one of my biggest reasons as to why I'm a part of a Young Adult community, is to really grow and to really be challenged and to know why I believe what I believe.
And as we're in university experiencing just the unbelief of the world, sometimes we just need a place as a refuge. And we hope to be that refuge for you, that you can come and, like we said, you can build friendships that hopefully will last a lifetime. And so whatever place you're at, if you're a young adult, we would really love to serve you and to have you out.